Okay, we should be live now on the very first test stream. In this stream, let's see, what are we doing? We are building a small drawing app using P5.js. This is not high quality television, so I'm mostly using it to test my equipment here. Okay, so we'll be using P5.js, and we will be building a very simple web app that where I can just free draw stuff, so something like Paint, MS Paint, but much more basic. Let's see, MS Paint. So something like this, but without all the features, except drawing like freehand. Let's start with that. Actually, let's start with the project. Freehand P5.js. All right, I will be using ChatGPT for this without any kind of issue. It's a developer tool, so I see no reason why not to use it. Let's see, what do we need for P5.js? Okay, let me maximize this. Oops. I need to get started. I need a sketch file. And the actual library. Okay, so let's do something like this. .js, .html. I think that's it. And I need to actually download the library. Just want like the compressed one. p5.min.js. Okay, copy, downloads p5.min.js to here. Okay. Let's open editor. Let's make this big. I think this should be okay. Update later. Okay. So let's just create canvas here, set up and draw. Let's create. So basically, we're going to create a canvas 400 by 400. Okay. Let's first make another file called let's first do action plan. Let's do something like features. What are we really building? So be able to freehand draw using mouse. Be able to change the brush size. Be able to it's going to be complicated. Let's just make it very simple right now because this is just a test stream. So we will be able to change the brush size and freehand draw with a predefined color. Okay, so we will have something like, we'll just have 3 buttons for small, medium, large, brush size, and a canvas for which to draw. So like a toggle type button for brush. Actually, I wrote that. Toggle small, medium, large. Then I want another button to save the existing file to the PNG locally, and a clear button which will clear canvas. Okay. Actually, don't make this. Remove this guy here. Okay, so let's create the canvas and draw it with like a background. Okay, let's just do that. So in Sketch.js, I'm going to do, okay, function setup, and then okay, create canvas. Let's make it 640. Let's make it square. Let's make it 400 by 400, and I will not use semicolons. And then function draw, and then let's do background 200 to 20. This should create like a gray background. Now in the index file, I'm just going to look at the example here. I can just do something like, let me try. Simple index.html file which will import the p5.main.js locally from local folder and include sketch.js local folder. Let's see, does it do that? Yep, seems legit. Okay. And then let's do a go live in here. Here it is, a simple canvas. Alright, looking for an icon, it's okay. So now let's add a few buttons at the top. I want to add all the buttons here at the top of the canvas. Let's see if I can do it straight here. There's a head, I think. In here, there's a body main. Okay, body. Head, okay. Body. Okay. No, I want here, so I want, how many buttons do I need? So I need, to change the brush size to a small, medium, large, save, and clear. So I need 5 buttons. Set in a row. First 3 buttons will have the label small, medium, large. Respectively, last two buttons will have the label clear and save respectively. Clear and save. Okay. Here we go, here we go. So if I save and see here, okay. This is okay, but I want the buttons to be on top of the canvas. So this is a bit tricky. Just going to ask ChatGPT for this. How to place buttons. To place a list of HTML buttons on top of the artist's canvas. While it's thinking, let me think. Artist's canvas, you can use HTML. Thanks. Okay. Give us step by step how to do this. Okay, I'll worry about this later. For now, let's give it some functionality. So first, what I want is to basically be able to just free draw. So let's use ChatGPT also for this. Okay, get it. So you basically set all the buttons in a div container. You give it a CSS. Okay. Okay, and then you set the canvas like that. Okay. Okay. In the meantime, let's try to see draw. Function that will freehand draw freehand. Okay. Okay, so draw freehand. I need to call it from here. Draw freehand, and I think this will draw circles at mouse X, mouse Y, and of size 10. But I want the background to just be drawn once. want the circles basically to be opaque, so I think there's something called no stroke. And I want them to be black. Fill. Nope. I want fill to be black. But it's not smooth. Why not? Oh, freehand. And I think because it's writing every frame, let's see. Okay. How can I draw with my mouse? E5 canvas. Okay, you have to keep track of the previous mouse X and mouse Y. Got it. Stroke weight. Yeah, okay, so when I do actually I can do these. Okay, oops. I can put these outside, and then if mouse is pressed, okay, so instead of drawing a circle, I will draw a line. No, draw a line from mouse X to mouse P, mouse P. So from mouse X to mouse X, mouse Y to previous mouse X, mouse Y, and then I have to set the previous P, mouse X equals mouse X, and P, mouse Y equals mouse Y. I need to declare them somewhere. Okay, so there's a window resized. Okay, okay, let me worry about that after. Let me see, does this work? What am I doing wrong? The top. Free canvas, backgrounds. Okay, stroke weight, stroke 0. Oh, it's a no stroke. Okay, okay, basically, no, it's a line. Okay, so we will do. Okay, so 0 and then stroke weight 2 and then stroke. And I actually don't need this. So delete this, delete this. So now, cool, it's drawing. Okay, now let's link to the buttons. How do I link to a button? Button. how did I create them here? Okay, they have IDs. Okay, how to add event in P5.js for buttons added directly in file. So basically I'm trying to add buttons. I'm trying to add event listeners to the buttons. Okay, oh yeah, I need to select. Okay. So in the P5 now we would say select. In the setup function to add listeners. Okay. Okay, that's what I need. Select. Okay, so in the setup, I will do something like add event listeners for mouse events. Select. Why is it doing that? Select. I need to do something like this. Button, small, medium, large, clear, save. Okay, so small, mouse pressed. Yeah, I can just do that. And then, so small, medium, and large. I will do stroke weight. Let's double it in size, and actually, no, just add 2. So now, when we press a button, look at selecting, it's suggesting this. That's pretty cool. Okay, so when we select, when we click small, medium, or large, the stroke weight will change, and the lines will be thicker or thinner depending on what it is. Let's see. So if it's small, it's like this, medium, a little bit thicker, and large, it's a little bit thicker. Perfect. All right. Then let's add the clear button. Okay, clear. So clear button, it gives me the suggestion already. So basically I'm selecting button clear, mouse pressed, and I'm setting the background to 20, which is my background color. And the last one, the save. Nope, this is not the right one. Select save. Save canvas, my canvas, the PNG. It's not a good idea. I want to add a unique name. Let's do something like this, and then save my canvas as my canvas. So I should save it as 1 my canvas, 2 my canvas, and so on. And this should be button save. Okay, let's see. So with a medium brush, drawing something. If I clear, it clears. If I save, 1 my canvas, 2 my canvas, 3 my canvas, okay, and if I refresh this, it will probably do it again, start over again. I mean, yeah, 1 my canvas and so on. And does it actually save them? Let's see, 3 my canvas. Yep, here it is. Now let's see how I can add, as a last step, let's see how I can make these guys go on top of the canvas. It's really bugging me. So in here, okay, so I'll put a container around the buttons. Let's do that first. Put a container, and then I need to add styles. Let's see, this is, and I forgot this. Okay, button. So I have something like button container. Here, and I want it to be okay. Fine. Let's do this. Save this. Save this. What does this do? Oh, okay, I think it's already good enough. For what I want, but I want a little bit of padding. So let's do top left, padding bottom, give it 20 pixels. No. How do I inspect? So this is button container. Padding bottom pixels. Yeah, this should work. It's just button container. Container. Oh, I think I need to add a style sheet. Nope. Why not? Do I need to restart? I might have to restart this. Looks better in this browser, but I'm not convinced. I'm not sure I agree with this, and why isn't it? Python container. Ah, I think it's because I'm supposed to do this. No? Why not? Okay, if I do it straight here, and I do adding bottom. Okay, this works. I don't know why the other one doesn't work, and I don't care because this is just a test stream. Okay, I think I'm happy with this, but let's make the whole canvas bigger. Let's make it 1,000 by 1,000. I don't like the height. Let's make it 1024 by 800. Right, nice. Oh, I can draw things. All right, this is it. First live stream. Bye bye.